Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Decide exactly what kind of username you need to change in Python. Decide whether you change a system user, app user, or Git author name. Consider downstream effects on file ownership, authentication tokens, and audit logs. Backup data and note dependent services before renaming any username. Choose whether to update records atomically or in staged steps. Test the change in a safe environment before applying it in production. Prepare rollback steps and a communication plan for affected users and services. On Linux, change a system username by calling the usermod command from Python. Use subprocess to run system commands like usermod with root privileges. For example, run subprocess. Run usermod l new name, old name, check equals true inside a script with sudo. After renaming, update the home directory name and fix file ownership with chown if needed. Verify ownership on files and restart services after the rename completes. Log results and handle exceptions to avoid leaving accounts in an inconsistent state. For application users, load the user object and update the username field inside a transaction. Update application users via the ORM and call user. Save inside a transaction. When migrating many users, batch updates and reindex search indexes to maintain integrity. To change local Git author, run subprocess. Run git config user name new name in the repository. Change commit history only if necessary and inform collaborators before rewriting branches. Run tests, reindex search, and notify users after migrating username records to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.